All right, we're back at the baseball field here with my oldest son Evan after practice, and he's going to demonstrate for us a slide. A slide is very important in baseball. It enables the runner to get below the throw. Say a stolen base, he can't run into second base standing up. He'll probably get tagged. So this enables the runner to use his full speed running, and he can change his momentum from a full speed, slide properly on the ground and get to the bag and potentially avoid the throw. Again, you don't want to stand straight up and not slide because it's more difficult to stop your momentum as a runner, and plus you can also get tagged out. So now Evan's going to demonstrate for us a slide, and here he comes running full speed, down and up. Okay, now that was a pretty good slide. Stay there, Evan, and show us the slide form. And this is the perfect slide form here. Left leg tucked underneath your right knee and hands straight up and right dead center on your rear end. This is a good way. This creates friction when you slide, and it slowly stops the run and gets right to the bag. Show them a bad slide on your side. And this is a bad slide. We don't want to use this type of slide. Kids can get very easily injured. Typical injury can be something as minor as a strawberry on the side of the leg, but you know, there are other potential injuries too. We like to teach the kids to slide on their dead center of their rear end, and again, friction is very important. The physics of base running and the sliding, as he's coming in full speed, he is using the friction of the earth to slow his run speed down at a very fast rate. And again, this is something that's not attainable through running, standing up, and getting to the bag. We'll demonstrate one more slide. Full speed, and he's down. All right, that's a pretty good 9-year-old slide there. So again, you know, the momentum is transferred from the run to the slide to the base, and friction is used here to stop the slide, to stop the body at the right distance of the bag.